Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Asian markets are mixed. US futures are slightly recovering. So otherwise, there is no big difference between my Dalal Street Week Ahead program and today's market. GIFT Nifty is indicating about 40-50 point higher opening. That's mainly because the US futures are recovering. And remember, US markets fell for 2 straight days, Thursday and Friday. Now their futures are higher. I do not know what is happening in crypto markets, and the crypto has fallen, especially the Bitcoin. The high was $125,000. Now it has come down to $95,000. And not only the crypto, even the gold and silver also. Last Friday, the gold has fallen about 2.5%. Silver has fallen about 4%. But now they are also recovering. So mostly, every asset class is recovering. So therefore, the GIFT Nifty is indicating Nifty future opening above 26,000. So number one, the Nifty future, the premium is likely to contract going forward because we have only 7 more trading sessions. This 100 point Nifty future premium is likely to contract. Until Friday, it did not contract because of some events, big events like Bihar state elections. Now, all the events are over. So now likely Nifty future premium likely to contract. So which means that, even if Nifty future open 50 point higher, the Nifty may not open 50 point higher. But however, having said that, this Nifty future indicated by GIFT Nifty is not 100% reliable. Good thing is that FIAs slowed down their selling. Bad thing is that they are still selling. In every single trading session in November series, FIAs were net sellers. Okay, now look at the option chain. 26,000 call option having the huge open interest. Probably until 3 p.m. yesterday, the Nifty spot was hovering around 25,800. It is only even below that. It's only between 3 and 3:15, just 15 minutes. There was a huge rally of more than 100 points that took the market higher. So therefore, the safe one will be 26,100. So why it is safe? Because, that was the this year swing high. So this year high was 26,100. First time it went up to 26,103. Second time it went up to 26,98. So therefore 26,100 is going to be a good resistance. But if this Bihar state election results, so if the rally continues, then who knows, that may be taken out. In that case, the next resistance will be only at 26,300. So this is the picture for us right now. And there are some indications that Indo-US trade deal may be signed maybe in the next few weeks. So that is the next big event to watch. But anyway, forget about the resistances. The support is going to be 25,500. But it will be interesting to see that resistance of 26,100 also tested twice. Support of 25,500 also tested twice. But at least resistance, it just touched and came back. But support, it was broken decisively. It fell more than 100 points and then recovered. So it will be interesting to see the activity at 25,500 put option in monthly series. But nowadays, most people, they don't trade in monthly options. They just trade only in weekly options. So weekly options, time decay is fast, but at the same time, the gamma effect is more. So otherwise, there are no stock specific information, there are no results, the markets will take its own course. And, so if I'm not wrong, the two key important events during the next 3 months, one is Indo-US trade deal, the next one is a budget. So until then, it's going to be 26,000 plus or minus 500, 600 points. So even if 26,100 is taken out, again the resistance will come around 26,300. Again the resistance will come around 26,500. And 27,000 call in December series. So as and when it comes to above 100, so that is time to sell if you have a portfolio, underlying portfolio. Right? So even if you don't have a portfolio, you can sell it, and as long as you know how to manage if things go wrong. So let us see what is going to happen today. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.